Hey everyone, today we are visiting at Coco County residential project located in Noida extension. And this is the main connecting road in front of it. So it's an under construction project. And it is sprawled over 4.75 acres of land. So from here you can take the exterior view of Coco County. There are total 3 number of towers and the construction is of 23 number of floors each. This project total comprises of 838 number of units. So all the homes are thoughtfully designed with proper ventilation for light and air. And it's RERA approved. So the construction work is going on. And now we are taking you into a 3 BHK sample flat which is of 1152 square feet. So here's the entrance and this is the living cum dining area designed with an attached balcony. Now here on the right hand side we have the kitchen which also has a separate utility balcony attached to it. And this balcony is attached with the living space. Next we have the first bedroom which is designed with an attached balcony. And this bedroom also has a space for wardrobe. So it's a common balcony which is attached with 2 bedrooms. So here's the second bedroom designed with laminated wooden flooring. It's a common balcony attached with both the rooms. And here you can see the space for wardrobe. And this bedroom also has an attached washroom. As you see here, finely crafted and very well fitted with ultra modern sanitary fittings. So here is the common washroom which has 2 doors. So one door is attached with the bedroom. So here's the third bedroom which comes with an attached balcony and a dedicated space for wardrobe as well. So friends, here we have showed you a 3 BHK flat of Coco County. It's a sample flat. So hope you all like this video. Thank you for watching. For more real estate videos and updates, you can subscribe to our channel. And for site visit inquiries, you can call us at the given number. Thank you.